Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today we are talking about custom code in Webflow, and I will show you 3 different ways how to include custom code in your website. So for this example, I have a little JavaScript snippet down here in my editor. This is just an example, but this can be something like a Google Analytics snippet, it can be a Hotjar snippet, or any custom code that you want to use. And we are going to copy that over, and I will show you 3 different ways how to include that on your website. So the first option is to go to the project settings of your project and then go to the custom code section here. So the custom code section is basically a very general way to include custom code. That means whenever you paste a code into the head section or the footer section, this code will be shown on every single subpage of your website. So this code, the head code, or also if you would put it in the footer, will be shown on every page on your website. We can save that here and then it will be shown. This is useful, for example, when you want to include the Google Tag Manager or something like Hotjar or a Facebook pixel or something like this. Always make sure to save it and then publish to see the changes. Then we want to show you a second way. So the second way is if we are going into the designer, we have a similar global page setting, but not on the global website level, but on a page level. So if I go in here, I can go to the settings of a very specific page. So here on the left side, for example, my FAQ page. I can go to the settings tab, scroll down, and then we will find the same structure. We have the head tag and the body tag. And you can obviously decide some scripts need to be in the head tag, some in the body tag, but the logic is the same. Whenever I change it here and I publish, now this script will be deployed to the page that I just showed you. Okay, so this will be deployed. This is our option number 2. And now I want to show you option number 3. And for that, we will go over to a specific page in a second. So let me just discard the changes. We are going to the FAQs, and I can use the embed element here on the left. So we want to have a code embed that we include. Code embed is something that is now on the page itself, so in the body of the page, and I can paste my script here. You won't see anything happening here because this will just be executed whenever you publish the website and you are on the live version, but this is option 3 to include custom code in your Webflow project. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions around this, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, see you in the next videos in which I explain a little bit more about Webflow, marketing, Figma, and all sorts of things. Thank you. See you soon.